This dance is called Thangs. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot. So you're going to step the right forward, hold. In other words, we pause for 1 count or 1 beat of music. Step forward on the left, hold. Into a mambo step forward. So when we do our mambo steps, we're going to rock forward on the right. So that right foot goes forward, we rock forward onto it, you recover your weight back onto that left foot, and you step the right beside the left. That is your mambo step. And then we hold. Last set of steps once more then. Step, hold, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, rock forward, recover, close, hold. Or mambo step, forward, rock, close. Step back on the left, hold. Step the right back, hold. Into a coaster step. So with our coaster steps, we're going to step back on the left, step the right beside the left, step the left forward. That is a left coaster step. Then we hold. That set of steps once more then. Stepping back on the left. 7, 8. Back, hold, back, close, step, hold. Coaster step, hold. Let's add those two sections together. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, mambo step, hold. Back, hold, coaster step, hold. We're going to add on some side mambos. So mambos always involve a rock step. Usually you start with the rock step. This one is no exception. So side mambo means we're going to the side. So because there is no weight on our right foot, it is the right foot that's going to lead. So we're going to rock to the side on the right. So I'm actually stepping the right to the side as I rock my weight onto that right. Recover the weight back onto the left. Step the right beside the left. That is your side mambo. Side rock, close. Then we hold. And we repeat with the left foot. So we're going to rock to the side on the left. Recover your weight back on the right. Step the left beside the right. Hold. That set of steps once more then. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side, rock, close, hold. Side, rock, close, hold. Side mambo twice. Let's add that to the top. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, mambo, step, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, side mambo, hold, side mambo, hold. Step forward on the right, hold, pivot yourself quarter of a turn to the left. So you're going to effectively pivot on your toes, quarter of a turn left, your weight goes back onto that pivot foot at the end. So in this case, the left foot. Then we hold and repeat. So step forward on the right, hold, pivot a quarter turn left, hold. So you should now be facing the back wall. That set of steps once more then. Step, hold, pivot, hold. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Step, hold, off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, mambo, step, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, side, mambo, hold, side, mambo, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Now what I will do when I get to the front wall is I am going to speed it up just a little bit, so it gets you more used to the speed of the music. Because in the music, it is quite fast. The holds will not feel like a hold step at all. But there will be a slight pause there. So here we go, back wall, then speed it up on the front. Step, hold, off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, mambo, step, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, side, mambo, hold, side, mambo, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, mambo, step, back, coaster, step, side, mambo, step, pivot, pivot. So hopefully you managed to keep up with those 2 walls, especially that front one, which not only was just that little bit faster, but it also had been missing out the word hold. So just that little pause in the chant where the hold would be. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, step, mambo, step, back, coaster, step, side, mambo, step, pivot, pivot, step, mambo, step, back, coaster, step, side, mambo, step, pivot, pivot, step, mambo, step, back, coaster, step, side mambo, step, pivot, pivot, step, mambo, step, back, coaster, step, side mambo, step, pivot, pivot, steps, back, side mambo, pivots, step, back, side mambo, pivots, step, back, side mambo, pivots, step, back, side mambo, pivots.
Like a kiss in the dark, like a sailboat ride. What about the night we cried? Like a lover's vow,
Hope you managed that one.